girl Cheyenne Talia, and I am back with another video yet again. Like, who am I? Consistency is jumping out of the box, honey. Today's video is going to be an unboxing, first look, first impressions, a fun time. Like, we're just having one of those weeks. So Colourpop sent me a package, actually a big package, so I'm really excited about this. Y'all know I love Colourpop so much. I was just talking to my grandma because she was on the phone when I checked my mailbox, and when I was younger, they sent us like $300 for Christmas, and the first time they ever sent it, I had like a little prepaid card, and I went online, I uploaded all my money onto my card, and I went online and I just splurged on Colourpop. So the fact that they even send me packages now is just still beyond me, and I'm just, yeah, I've been a Colourpop fan is what I'm trying to say. So without further ado, let's just get into this video. Alright, so as you know, everything from Colourpop is made in the United States and specifically made in LA, which I think is really cool because there's not too many people who make their stuff in the US. They have a lot of wholesalers. I'm just going to maybe not. But I tell y'all, it was like 12 o'clock last night or 11 something last night, and me and my brother were just in there tripping because I was like, and then I watched the rest of the video and he was like,
I just hit my balls. Oh.
I had no idea that's what the video was about. But anyways, that was completely off topic. So when you open the box, it looked like this. This is such a freaking pretty color, you guys. Colourpop stays consistent with the packaging. Like, this is the last package they sent me. I literally keep all the same products in here, just, I don't know why. I'm just like that. But, like, this is the last box they sent, and it's so cute. It always says made in LA. The cutest freaking box ever. So, Colourpop, let's lift it up and let's see. They gave me a nice discount code to give to you guys. 5 Cheyenne. So you save $5 off. And it says, it's our birthday. Thanks for the support. You are one in a melon. I love, and thank you so much, Justice. Like, they make their own, like, personalized cards for us, and I just think that is so cute. Thank you so much for taking the time out to write that. I appreciate it. This, y'all, I think we got some really good stuff. So this is the Misunderstood Disney collab, the Villains collab with Colourpop, and you guys, look at the packaging on this. Like, that's so insane. And it looks like it has 5, so 15 colors in here. So I'm super excited to open this. It says it's a pressed powder palette, and yeah, all of their stuff is cruelty free. I think that is awesome. But do you guys see like the cool detailing on this? Colourpop always outdoes it with their freaking details. So the next thing I got is in here, and it looks like maybe this is, I think I know what this is, you guys, and if it's what I think it is, I'm going to freaking spaz. I'm literally going to lose my shit if it's what I think it is. But I could be wrong, so let me not get my hopes up. Oh, no, it's not what I think it is. But let's see what it is. It's still the same collab. It says that it has Luxe lipstick in here. It has Everybody's Got a Weakness Super Shock highlighter, and it has the Hot Headed Ultra Glossy Lip. So let's just open these. These are the only 2 things that I got in here this time. So let's just open this stuff and see what's in here, and let's just swatch away. Like, duh, this is becoming a swatching channel. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with I'm gonna start with this one first because there's less to swatch in here. So let's just go ahead and crack into this. So it opens like this. Oh, you guys, this is so freaking cute. I love the hologram packaging or writing. My nails are so fucking disgusting. Sorry, I'm just like a little boy, you guys, swear. I'm just gonna take everything out of here so we can swatch and just see what's going on. So this is the Super Shock highlighter, and it's this really pretty gold, and I'm loving the hologram packaging. So yeah. Is it Hades? You guys know I'm not good with names. So I'm just gonna take my finger and let's, ooh, the feel of this is super soft. It almost feels like velvet, or the texture of this is very soft. That's super pretty. And let's just see how it swatches. Let me take my watch off. Yeah, so that was only one sweep around, you guys. That's gorgeous. So I'm excited about that. Kind of reminds me of Jaclyn Hill and who was it, Becca, their collab, the champagne pop. Really pretty. So I'm not really a big lipstick girl. I rarely wear lipsticks, but I think that this is super cute and it's definitely a collector's item. This looks like it's going to be like a nude, so let's just open it and see. And yes, it is. Oh, you guys, I don't even want to swatch it. Look at how cute that is. It says villains on it. Ah, I can't. That is so cute. I love it. All right, I'm gonna swatch this just for y'all. Oh yes. So it's not like a matte, it is a cream. And I do love those. If I am gonna wear a lipstick, I do prefer creams because it's just more moisturizing, but it still gives that matte look, you know? And then this is the gloss, the Ultra Glossy Lip, and I'm definitely gonna be wearing this. I love lip glosses, literally my whole life. And this one's called Hot Headed, which is perfect for me because I'm an Aries and you know I'm a fire sign and I'm definitely hot headed at times. And I'm loving the applicator, and even though some of the bristles are a bit messed up, I mean, I expect that when putting these in, sometimes it can kind of get messed up. But I like this applicator because it's not a felt tip, it's actually like a nylon tip, which makes it a little bit easier to apply with lipsticks. And this is so pretty, oh my gosh. Like, you guys. So I'm loving this set, you guys. This is a beautiful set. Let's go to the Misunderstood palette because I'm so excited. They always have the best shadows. Look at the packaging, just opening it, you guys. The fact that the inside of the box is just as pretty as the outside is like amazing. And how beautiful is the palette. Like, I really can't get over the packaging. It has all the names of the different eyeshadows on the back. So let's actually open it and see. Ooh, so these are some different colors. Now, first impressions, I probably wouldn't buy this palette just because of the colors that I normally wear, but I'm still gonna give it a try. There are a lot of shimmery shades in here. I don't really do shimmery shades. I love mattes, and if I do shimmery, I like glitters and stuff, you know what I mean? Like the Jelly Much shadows are some of my favorite, but we're gonna see what we can do with these. It can be done. Why not? I'll accept this challenge, Colourpop. The packaging is super cute. Would I personally gravitate towards this palette? No. Right. And I'm not gonna say I'm disappointed, but I am kind of disappointed because the packaging is just so colorful and so bright. Like, I was expecting to open this and see like hot pinks and like greens and purples and, you know what I mean, like the like poppin' hot pinks and purples and greens, you know what I mean? These are more like, we did it, but you know what I mean? I don't know how I feel about this one, Colourpop. Sorry. Nonetheless, I'm still gonna give all of these a good swatch, so let's just go ahead and start out with all of the shimmer colors because those are gonna be the easiest ones to swatch. So I suck at names. Mongrels, Diablo. Okay, I got this. Fuck that. I got this. So I'm gonna start out with Mongrels, which is this really nice like champagne color. And I'm just gonna take that on my finger. It looks like these. And we're just gonna swatch it. She's cute. She's cute. Now let's go on to Diablo, which is this green. That one's pretty. Then next, let's go on to Underworld, which is this brown right here. And I'm just gonna put that. That one's really pretty and it's super pigmented. Then next, I'm gonna go to Pain and Panic, which is right here. And it's kind of like a different texture than all the other ones. Almost feels like it has some kind of glitter reflexes in it or something. So that one's really pretty. I likes that. Next one is Forest of Thrones. So that one's really pretty. Flotsam? I'm really not sure if I'm saying that right, but it's this one right here, and it kind of looks like it has a little bit of purple in it too. So let's just see. That's cute. That's cute. And it's this like really pretty green. So the pink one next to it, the Flotsam one or whatever, has almost like some blue sparkles in there, and it's really pretty. Next, I'm gonna do Jetsam, which is this blue right here, and from the side it has a purple tint to it. That one's really cool. Let's go on to Sing. And I like the texture of these for the most part. And Sing kind of looks like it would be a brown, but when I set it down, it's like purple. It's like a deep purple. So let's see how it swatches. Oh, because it's swatching brown, but it's like almost brown, so brown that it's purple, if y'all get what I'm trying to say. And then the next one is Revenge, which is this really pretty black, and it has sparkles in it. I don't know if you'll be able to see on camera. Yeah, you should. Yeah, so it has some sparkles in it, which I think is bomb. Let's see if they show up. Yeah, it does show up. You can see them a little bit. So I like that. That's cute. These are all of the shimmer shades, which I said is very new for me. So we'll see how this works. All right, so now we're gonna just go ahead and swatch the other colors, the more matte colors, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. So I'm gonna start off with No Spots. And I'm kind of excited about this white because it's so hard to find a good white shadow. And yeah, let's just see how it swatches. I'm gonna use a brush. So yeah, that's without a primer. And that's one thing that I noticed with white shadows. If you don't have a primer underneath it, it usually doesn't show up white. So I'm glad that that one is showing up true to color. That makes me happy. The next one I'm gonna do is Tragic, which is this one right here. And I think that this will be a good like base color. We're gonna swatch that right next to it. And that one's gonna be very close to my skin tone, so you might not see it, but I can see it. And yeah, it's pretty much the same color as my skin, but like a little bit more pink. I don't know if y'all could see. It's like literally like you can't see it. Next, I'm going to do the Fates, which is this blue. That's a pretty blue. And then I'm going to do 101, which is just this like black. And it's not like a jet black. It's almost kind of like a black with like a gray undertone. So let's see. So yeah, these are all of the colors, from the highlighter to the lipstick to the gloss to the whole entire palette right there, so you guys can see how it looks. Now, yeah, that's what we're working with. So just like in the last swatching and unboxing video or first impressions video, I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation off camera, come back, and then we're gonna work on our shadows and everything else once I'm done. So I will be back in like an hour because it literally takes me so long to get ready, and we are going to test out these products. So I'll see y'all back in 60. Bye. All right, y'all, so let the camera focus. I am back, and it is the next day, so it's not the same day that I recorded the swatches, just because I had something to do. So I was like, I'll just pick up where I left off. So I do look a little different from yesterday, and I'm gonna do my hair differently than yesterday's look. So I'm still gonna be using my Colourpop stuff right here. And you could use the code 5Cheyenne, which I will have down in the description box, or maybe like in this area, to save $5 off your purchase with Colourpop, and that goes for anything that's on their website. So yes, be sure to use that at checkout. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this look, and I will leave the names of the colors that I use down below, as well as, you know, pointing to them. Maybe I can put the color on the screen too in the corner that I'm using. So yeah, enjoy the music, enjoy the beat, enjoy the slay, and yeah, that's all I really gotta say. Bye. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. I have my pigtails and my zigzag bun for today's hair. I freaking love the palette. Like, I know I wasn't super duper thrilled about the color choices, but I'm loving how my eyeshadow turned out. The colors applied very freaking well. And I mean, Colourpop has always just been one of my favorite brands. I just didn't really like the colors in that palette, but she came through. She pushed through and definitely proved me wrong. And I'm loving the lip combo. Like I said, I don't really wear lipsticks because look, it gets on my teeth. But I like this color. It's really, really pretty. It's more of a peachy nude, and I like that because I like warmer nudes for the summertime if I am gonna wear lipstick. So yes, thebomb.com. Okay, I will see y'all when? Monday, because it's the weekend, so I get to take a break. Make sure you're following me on Instagram so that you can keep up. I'm going to be posting pictures still on the weekends. You guys know I post my tutorials Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And on Thursday, on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday, I just post, you know, regular content, slayage, pictures, maybe some archive photos from some of the makeup looks throughout the week. So be sure to check that out. My Instagram and my Twitter is Cheyenne Talia. If you want to follow my music page, it's Lonely Girl 444, and girl is spelled GRL. And I think that's all. So I will see y'all on Monday. Love you. Bye.